Queen, two sides, one me, whose side, yeah. You a whole vibe, we can both shine. Yeah, my Gemini. Let's take. What's going on, everyone, and thank you for joining me in another YouTube fitness travel vlog. So I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing to the last video. Remember, this is the last video before our giveaway. The giveaway is Friday, 2 days away. That's it, 2 days away. So I will be announcing that Friday afternoon. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video as well. Hit that alert button. And actually, there's a new notification. Make sure you put all for notifications so you guys get notified right when I post. So today we have a great topic. We are talking about one of my favorite fitness equipment and what I think I benefit the most being an athlete, and that is the Rogue Echo bike. Now, I just really started using this bike a couple of months ago. I'm doing a training program, started my second week on this training with the bike. I did do it a month ago, but my workout was a 12-second sprint and then 48-second rest, 12-second sprint, 48-second rest. And I did that for 3 weeks. The first week was 15, second week was 18, and the third week it was about 20. And now I'm doing longer sprints, so that's what you guys see in this video. Today I did 1 minute sprint, 4 minute rest time, and the rest time is still me going on the bike. It's just not going full sprint. So there's so many benefits for this bike. Speed, two, it's probably one of the best things to actually burn fat. It's a nice quick workout. If you're trying to get your quads bigger, it's definitely great for that as well. So I'm just going to show you guys a little clip of what I do on the road bike. Alright, and thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and remember, 2 days away, so go and like that video. 2 days away for a chance to win Apple Watch and cash prize. Who doesn't like cash prize, guys? Alright, so go and get it. Alright, so we're here getting ready to get on the Rogue bike, Echo bike. Remember, like I said, this is one of my favorite workouts, but at the same time, it sucks. It's no fun, but you definitely benefit from it. Alright, follow.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.